Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel kaju. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cashews, which can be either roasted or raw, depending on your preference. Next, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar, as this will form the base of our delicious caramel. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter to add a lovely richness, and a small pinch of salt to perfectly balance the sweetness. Now, let's make the caramel. In a heavy-bottomed pan, melt your 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir continuously to ensure even melting and prevent crystallization. Keep cooking until the sugar transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Once it reaches this stage, remove it from the heat immediately to avoid burning. With the caramel off the heat, quickly add your 2 tablespoons of butter and stir until it's fully incorporated. Then, sprinkle in that pinch of salt to enhance the overall taste. Immediately add your 1 cup of cashews to the hot caramel. Work quickly and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each cashew is beautifully coated in the warm, glistening caramel. Once coated, spread the caramel cashews onto a sheet of parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. While still warm, gently separate any clumps to ensure individual pieces. Let them cool completely at room temperature until the caramel hardens and becomes crisp. Store your delicious caramel kaju in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.